I don't know why the modes are not down here and they're up there. Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, man, round two, going back. Gotta go get 2 more pieces of wood. Totally forgot. I was able to use almost every single piece that I had and make it work. I got one little piece left, but that's not going to do the job. He didn't scare me this time. Cameras. I got to use a mic this time. The reason for that is my line, that audio that I look at for the start when I talk, it's all one. It just wasn't right. I don't like taking the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 out doing vlogs. It's bigger, heavier, and the audio bars start not there. It misses the beginning every time, without the mic or with the mic. The DJI Osmo Action Pro 5, that is my on-the-go camera. I could do the same thing with the 4, but I got the 5, and the 5's the recent one from DJI. Let's make a turn over here and show you what's happening. A great place for a supermarket. Now there are campers. Oh man, did they clean up? No, they're still here. Protesting. You got it. They want to build a shelter. And the shelter is right next to a school. And schools and shelters don't mix. They got a perfect spot for a shelter. Right next to the parkway, right next to the police station. Not that far from food, and definitely near transportation right on the road. And yet, they're gonna do it. Not this block coming up, but the main block that we're getting to the red light. Just make a right. Go down. And that's where the shelter could be built. We're getting ready to go. We got the light. Let's get on going. We missed this light. They sync to change, and we'll wait for it. All right, hang on. We got a bump. Get to our spot where we need to be at. Turn on in. Walk away lock. Close the door. It's supposed to lock. There we go. It took time. So let's go in. Get what we need. $20 pumpkins. People not going to afford to get a pumpkin. Sure they are. Let's get going. I don't need a POV camera that you put to the chest like so. No ultra, no nano. Thanks, Tim. Appreciate that. Yeah, Tim Brown. He's a good guy. Love his stuff. You will too. Lucky, only got a couple of pieces. Looks like I got 2 good pieces here. Almost. One of them's not good. Well, cameras are cameras. And we could beg to differ. Whatever you got, just get up and use it. And be happy with what you got. Don't worry what other people have in the cameras. And yeah, you'll get what you want to get over time. Well, I'm gonna get on going. Let's get going. Put the wood in. They're short pieces. Be nice and easy with them. Let's get going. Close her on up with the light. $9.99, $10.99, $10.99, $14.99, $14.99, $15.99. Oh, they're 49s. Well, super night or pure video mode, your choice. Lights in front of you, the lights against you, or no lights at all, but a street light and a traffic stoplight. It makes the building, the store, lit up nice and beautiful. That's a picture shot for sure. I got like a reddish glow. You know why? Lights glow on you. Let's get going. The lights have changed. These are called sleeping policemen. You may call them speed humps. They just ruin the shot. Garbage day. Halloween's over. And speaking about being over, it's that time again to say, I gotta go meet up with Joe and take care of Bizwax. That's my way of my outro. And on that note, later.